Hello students, in this lesson we are going to explore more arithmetic series. So I am going to show you an example where you have to use both a sum formula and the formula for the nth term to solve a problem. So the question here says, find the first three terms of an arithmetic series in which a sub 1 is equal 9, a sub n is equal 105 and s sub n is equal 741. So in this exercise we know that a sub 1 is the first term in the series, the second, a sub n is the last term and s sub n is the sum of all the terms in the series. I'm going to show you two steps how to find the first three terms. Step number 1. Since you know that a sub 1, a sub n and s sub n are given, we can use the formula for the sum of all the terms in a series, which means is s sub n equals number of terms divided by 2, first term plus last term. And I think you know that formula right now, all of you. Now in this formula we can substitute what we know. So we know s sub n is 741. We don't know how many terms are in this series, so I'm going to leave this n divided by 2. And we know the first and the last term. First term is 9 and last term is 105. And if you continuing here with the distributive property, and combining like terms, you end up 741 equals 57n. And if I divide by 57 both sides, 741 divided by 57 is going to give me 13. N equals 13. So in this step we learned that number of terms in this arithmetic series is equal 13. So I'm writing here in red that I use step 1 here. Now I'm going to work on step 2. It's easy, students, to remember using steps since we are using two different formulas, and the formulas help us to find the answer. Now we found n, we have n now, n equals 13, so I'm going to say we found n. Now if you take a look on the formula, we need to find the common difference d, since we know the first term, but we have to find the second term and the third term. So I will write here easy find d, because common difference is very important. To find the common difference d, I have to use the explicit formula. A sub n equals the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. A sub n is the last term. So if I substitute instead of a sub n 105, I would have 105 equal 9 is the first term. Number of terms, I just found it is 13 minus 1, and common difference is d. So that's what I'm looking for, the common difference here. So I continue, 96 equals 12d. If I divide by 12 both sides, I have 96 divided by 12, which one common difference is 8. Now that I found the common difference, and my question is find the first three terms of an arithmetic series, I'm going to use step number 3, and I'm going to say 3 here, and to use d to determine a sub 2 and a sub 3, I would say a sub 2, I'm going to take the a sub 1 plus I'm going to add d, which one is going to be 9 plus 8, and 9 plus 8 is equal 17. And to find the third term, a sub 3, I'm going to take a sub 2 and I'm going to keep adding the common difference d. So 17 plus 8. So 17 plus 8 is going to give me equals 25. So let me put the three terms together. These are the first three terms. Remember, there are many terms there, but the question here was find the first three terms of this arithmetic series. So term 1 is 9. I'm putting them here. No, I'm sorry, 9. the second term is 17, and the third term, as I found it, was 25. So this is what the exercise is looking for. So remember one more time, I used 3 steps here. First step, since I know the A sub n, I can use this formula, and I can find number of terms, which one I found 13. On step number 2, I can use the explicit formula for arithmetic sequences, and I find d equal 8. And the step number 3, I keep adding the common difference in the previous term, and the 3 first terms are 9, 17, and 25. Okay, students, thank you.